What's up guys, in this video today, I'm going to show you the top 5 best portable vacuum cleaner for home in 2023. Vacuum cleaners are smarter, more powerful and more useful than ever. And besides cleaning quickly and easily, they can also handle trickier things like pet hair, allergens, and litter, which means that they can be a big help if you or someone in your household has allergies. In other words, they can make your life better. We've put them all through their paces to see if they can cope with a typical home and to identify their best and worst features, which is why I've made sure to include options for all types of people and all the information you'll need to know to find the perfect product. I'll also have links to the best and most up-to-date prices on all the products I mentioned in this video in the description. So without delay, let's start to the video.
Dyson's latest compact vacuum reveals invisible dust with a laser. The slim, fluffy cleaner head's anti-static carbon fiber filaments pick up those microscopic particles. Suction is increased when needed, thanks to this special sensor which sizes and counts them, and gives you scientific proof of a deep clean. It also comes with Dyson's pioneering technology. 11 redesigned cyclones to maintain no loss of suction, the power of this hyperdymium motor, 5-stage filtration capturing 99.99% of dust. For 3-in-1 cleaning on floors, up high, and on surfaces.